here at the airport in Fairbanks. About to go check in, and Amy and I are super nervous for the unknown, not knowing exactly what to expect, and I think there's only so much preparation you can do.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be an 18-hour flight, so that will be a hoot.
Because that will be where you're going, from Fairbanks to Seattle?
To
Seattle
New York.
to New York?
And then to Santiago in Dominican Republic. Yeah.
I don't like it.
I don't either. I was like, Lily already cried, Hendrik is trying to be strong, and I don't know, it's so far away,
yeah,
that I struggle not being able to be there if something is wrong, or if they need a hug.
I'll give them a hug. I'll give them a hug.
Steve will probably give them a fist bump.
I'll take care of them. I keep up the fort here, and I keep this all running. You just vlog?
I will be vlogging, so I'm excited about that. One of the days, Amy and I are going to go to each different site of the ministry, and to be able to take videos of their ministry there and what they exactly do. So
that would be exciting.
I'm really excited
when you come home, you can share all the vlogs and
yes. So it's going to be a while. Probably without having internet access and stuff. It's going to be a while until. See, I'm already talking so slow. I'm so emotional. I'm going to be a holy mess. So
hopefully you guys can cover Simone and Amy in prayers. And Steve, I think he needs it. He really needs it.
And that he sticks with his list. I have a feeling he's gonna ditch it and do his own thing.
Just so you made him a honey to-do list?
I did. From homeschooling to everything.
So I'll make sure he completes his honey to-do list. I can get the whip out. I can do this.
Well, you know where I pull him in the office. So just pull him in the office and make him sit in.
I'll make it.
That's where he usually gets in trouble.
It'll be good. It'll be good.
These two are like little kids. They can't just act normal.
10 days. Miss Beach is here. No, you cannot be. It's not this. Okay, so we dropped them off. Now we head back to the car. I think the dogs want to go for a nice walk. I think that would be good before it starts raining. Then we have some errands to run and enjoy the evening. I think the plan is to finish the chicken run. So that will be fun. The kids can help, and I have pork chops in the crock pot. So let's do it.
So we just finished our errands, and now we're going home to relax and maybe read some books, and then we're gonna work on the chicken run again.
So this afternoon, we want to keep you an update on our little chicks. So they are 2 to 3 weeks old now. The feathers are slowly coming in, and this is their first time outside. So it's pretty warm today, so we just decided for 30 minutes just to let them get some fresh air, explore the outdoors. Look, this one is already curious. And then we will put them back indoors under the heating lamp. Look at this one. This one is not shy at all. So we cleaned the little bucket that they're in now, and they're ready to go back inside under the heating lamp getting water and food. Now it's time to let the big ones out. So the reason why we haven't had them out all day was, as you saw, we were on the road and we don't have a gate right here. That's actually what we're working on tonight. So I'm just being a good chicken mama and just protecting them. So, but I think they're ready. They're already waiting in there. Let's let them out. Woo! All excited. Look at them. They love to be outside. And here we have some fresh eggs, fresh out of the nesting box. Yeah. So the chickens have their own swing now. Look at that. Woo. And their own little playground. Okay, so I think the little ladies really enjoy their new run that we finished. We got the door finished, handle on it, built them a swing, and just little outdoor activities to keep them busy. Like I said, we still need to work on the top somehow. We're not sure how to do that one yet, but little by little. Now we're gonna go inside and we're gonna eat dinner and just enjoy the evening. And with that being said, we are counting it all joy.